Hi everyone, welcome back to Gardening from Square One. And if you are new here, welcome. In this video, we'll showcase 15 fantastic native plant options that include lush ground covers that will help you keep your weeds at bay, vibrant flowering shrubs that provide stunning seasonal color, eye-catching vines that can enrich your vertical spaces, and then there are plants that like dry conditions, whereas others thrive near ponds and wet areas. Like many of you, I grow and have been integrating more drought-tolerant and low-maintenance plants into the garden. Many of these beautiful garden spaces you see can be recreated using native plants. I visited Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center looking at plants and am highlighting many that are native to various parts of the country, and some are even hardy down to Zone 4. So join along as we explore these incredible selections that will fit perfectly into many landscaping aesthetics, all while being easy to care for. So let's get started. First up is Trumpet Creeper. Now this stunning perennial vine, scientifically known as Campus reticens, is native to Texas, Ohio, New Jersey, and then south to Florida. However, it thrives in USDA growing zones 4 through 9, making it a versatile plant for many gardeners. It is an absolute showstopper with its vibrant trumpet-shaped flowers that attract hummingbirds and pollinators like a magnet. Just be mindful, as this beauty can be quite vigorous and may need a very sturdy fence or trellis like this one to support its growth. Plus, when it's not flowering, you will have lush green foliage throughout the growing season, making it a fantastic choice for adding vertical interest to your garden. Next up is California Loosestrife, or Lightgrub californium. Its native range is the southwest to central Texas, then up to Kansas, California, and New Mexico. This perennial has eye-catching spikes of flowers that bloom from late spring through summer, making it a fantastic choice for adding a big splash of color to your garden. This plant will thrive in USDA growing zones 3 through 9. It loves full sun and moist soil, which will make it perfect for rain gardens or to be planted along pond edges. As you can see, it also grows well in galvanized water troughs too. Just keep in mind that while it is a fantastic addition, it can spread pretty vigorously if not managed. So if you're looking to enhance your landscape with a pollinator-friendly plant that thrives in wet conditions, the California Loosestrife might be a great option for your garden. And by the way, if you find value in this content, please consider clicking like, subscribe, and notifications. Moving on. Scorpion's tail, also known as Heliotropium angiospermum, blooms January through December with a native range from Florida to Texas. Now this unique perennial stands out with its quirky spiral-shaped flower clustered blooms. It can be grown as a perennial in USDA zones 9 to 11, maybe 8B with winter protection. Scorpion's tail is perfect for adding a bit of drama and texture to your garden beds or containers. It loves full sun and well-drained soil, making it quite easy to care for in warmer climates. Plus, it is a magnet for butterflies and bees. So if you want to introduce a captivating and pollinator-friendly plant to your garden, Scorpion's tail is a fabulous choice. Gregg's Mistflower is native to the eastern United States, Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, and it is a member of the aster family. This plant thrives in USDA growing zones 7 to 11, and it is a must-have perennial for any pollinator garden within those zones, of course. It has gorgeous clusters of these delicate lavender blue flowers that bloom from as early as late May in warmer climates well into the fall. It not only attracts butterflies and bees, but it also creates a lovely misty effect in your landscape when it's in full bloom. It's one that you just must see if you have not. Gregg Mistflower will spread via rhizomes, typically growing to heights of about 2 feet. It prefers medium to wet, well-drained soils, and it can tolerate anything from full sun to part shade. Mealy blue sage, or Salvia farinaceae, blooms from April through November, and it is a native from Central and West Texas to New Mexico. Now, this stunning perennial is a true showstopper with its beautiful spikes of vibrant blue flowers that can light up any garden space. This plant thrives in USDA growing zones 8 through 11, and it is perfect for adding that splash of color to your sunny garden beds or borders. It also looks great planted in mass. Mealy blue sage is not only gorgeous, but it is also drought tolerant, which makes it a fantastic choice for low maintenance gardening. Plus, its nectar rich blooms are a favorite among bees and butterflies, making it a real pollinator hotspot. So whether you're creating a butterfly garden or just looking to add some color, Mealy blue sage is an excellent option that will keep your garden vibrant and filled with pollinators. Pine muley grass has a native range from Texas and New Mexico. This stunning ornamental grass is perfect for adding texture and movement to your landscape with its graceful, airy tufts that sway so gently in the breeze. Thriving in USDA zones 6 through 10, pine muley grass loves full sun and well-drained soil, making it an excellent choice for dry gardens and xeriscapes. It's drought tolerant once established, ensuring it's low maintenance while still beautifying your space. Zexmenia flowers from May through September, and it is a native to southwest Texas all the way to northeast New Mexico. This perennial is a fantastic choice for adding vibrant color to your garden. It has these bright yellow daisy-like flowers that thrive in USDA growing zones 8 through 11. Zexmenia loves full sun and is incredibly drought tolerant once established, making it a perfect option for low maintenance gardens or xeriscaping. So if you live in a warm climate and you're looking to spice up your landscape with a resilient and pollinator friendly plant, Zexmenia is definitely worth considering. Next is the gorgeous rock rose, scientifically known as cistus. This fabulous shrub is beloved for its stunning crinkled petals and blooms that come in shades of pink, white, and purple, creating a beautiful display in any garden. This plant thrives in USDA growing zones 8 to 11, and it is perfect for sunny spots. This plant is also extremely drought tolerant once it's established, making it an excellent choice for low maintenance gardening. Not only does it add bursts of colors, it attracts bees and butterflies, making your garden a real haven for pollinators. And the aromatic foliage provides a lovely backdrop to its eye-catching flowers that emit a pleasant fragrance. Rock rose is ideal for rocky gardens, borders, or as part of a mixed planting, creating a beautiful focal point in your outdoor space. If you're looking for a resilient, beautiful plant that enriches biodiversity, rock rose is a fantastic addition. Wright skullcap, or Scutellaria wrighti, is a perennial that is native to the southwestern United States. This plant has lovely light blue to purple flowers that bloom from late spring to early fall, creating a beautiful display in your garden. It will thrive in USDA growing zone 7 to 10 in well-drained soil and full sun to part shade, which makes it a versatile addition to your landscape. Now, this low-maintenance plant is drought-tolerant once established, which makes it perfect for xeriscaping and low-water landscapes. Scarlet Pea or Indigofera miniature is a native ground cover found from Texas to Florida. This charming perennial is a real gem, featuring vibrant orange to crimson flowers that bloom from late spring to early fall, adding a big pop of color to your garden. It will thrive in USDA growing zones 8 through 11. It is perfect for sunny spots. It prefers well-drained soil, which makes it an excellent choice for dry and sandy areas. The lush green foliage adds a lovely backdrop to its striking blooms, and it's known to attract butterflies and other pollinators. It is a low-maintenance and drought-tolerant eye-catching plant that supports local wildlife. Dwarf Yaupon holly is an excellent boxwood alternative. It is native from Virginia to Florida all the way to Texas. It is known as Ilex vomitoria nana. Now, this versatile evergreen shrub is perfect for adding some year-round greenery to your landscape, especially if your garden is in USDA growing zone 7 to 10. Purple coneflower or Echinacea purpurea is a member of the aster family, and this plant will bloom from May through September. Its native range is Georgia, Louisiana, Texas, Virginia, Ohio, Illinois, and Iowa. This perennial is not only a favorite among gardeners, but it is also a magnet for butterflies and bees. With its stunning daisy-like blooms that showcase vibrant purple petals and a prominent spiky center, it will add a pop of color to any garden. It thrives in USDA growing zones 3 through 9, and it is incredibly versatile, tolerating a variety of soil types, although it loves well-drained sunny spots the best. Rock Penstemon has a native range from central Texas through north New Mexico. This resilient perennial showcases lovely tubular flowers from late spring to early summer, which will bring eye-catching beauty to rock gardens and borders. It thrives in USDA growing zones 4 through 8. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil, making it a perfect fit for drought-tolerant landscapes and xeriscapes. This plant is an absolute magnet for hummingbirds and bees, creating a lively buzzing atmosphere. Plus, once established, it requires very little maintenance, allowing you to enjoy its beauty without too much fuss. Pyramid bush or Melicea tomentosa blooms from summer through fall. Its native range is from South Texas to Florida. It's going to thrive in USDA zones 8 through 11. It is perfect for adding structure to your garden, especially in sunny spots where it can really shine. It has attractive foliage with a slightly fuzzy texture, which not only enhances its charm, but also provides an excellent habitat for pollinators and beneficial insects. This low-maintenance plant is drought-tolerant once established, making it a great choice for xeriscaping or gardens that need a bit of color without too much fuss. Texas Lantana blooms from February through November, and it is a native to Texas, Arizona, California, Nevada, and New Mexico. This incredible perennial is truly a showstopper. It's known for its clusters of small, colorful flowers that can range from bright yellow to fiery orange, pink, and even purple, creating a stunning display that can brighten any garden. It thrives in USDA growing zones 8 through 11, and it is perfect for hot, sunny spots. The plant is also highly drought tolerant once established, making it ideal for low-maintenance gardens. Well, that is it. 15 charming native plants with hopefully something for everyone on this list. Of the plants on this list, which one is your favorite? Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day in your garden. Bye.